What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and reviewing the Logitech Z407 computer speakers. Alright, so let's take a look at the box. So in the box we got the subwoofer, a control dial, and the speakers themselves. Alright, let's take everything out of the packages. Got two of these bracket thingies, and we got the two speakers, batteries, and wires. Alright, let's get all the plastic off. Alright, so first we're going to be attaching the speakers to their stands. So yes, you can have the speakers lay like this, next to each other like that, and you can attach them to the stands. But for this video, I'm going to make them be standing. So if you want to have it sideways, you put it here, upright, put it there. Alright, so you just push it in. Pretty nice and easy. Do the same for this one as well. Just push it in like that. Alright guys, so first of all, you gotta plug this white cord into this one, or gray. And then the other speaker, the blue one, goes into the blue. Pretty simple. And then you want to plug the power cord from this into an outlet. Alright, so now I'm gonna be placing the speakers in its right spots. So the one without the logo goes on the left side. And like that, the speakers are now partially set up. Alright, so now we gotta set up this controller thing. So in the back, you want to open this up, pull it down, and now you put the batteries in here. And now it is plugged in. You put this back. And so basically, you have two options here. You can use the Bluetooth option or the wired option. So I'm pretty sure with the Bluetooth, if you turn that on, you can control your speaker volume with Bluetooth. And you don't gotta plug your speakers anywhere. But if you use this one, you'll have to plug in an extra wire, which I will do, but if you prefer not to do it, go with the Bluetooth. It's pretty easy. So if we were to go with purple here, we're gonna be plugging this in. So you can basically use the USB-C for like laptops and stuff. And the other one is for like PCs, so we're gonna go with this one. But it's the same method. Alright, so then you want to plug the other end into here. Alright guys, so essentially this thing is completely wireless, which is really dope. You do have to use a wire with your subwoofer and speakers, but this controller is wireless. That's way cool. Like, doesn't matter if you're doing Bluetooth or the other thing, it's wireless. So cool. Guys, apparently this thing has a lot of features. So number one, you can dial left and right to change the volume. And I think you can hold this for 2 seconds and then change the volume of the bass. So depending on how bassy you want it to sound. Also, I think if you hit it once, it'll pause. Twice, it will skip a little bit. 3 times, it will skip the other way. So it's really cool. A lot of neat features. Now for the audio test. Alright, so since YouTube keep copyrighting my videos because, Epidemic Sound, I linked it to my main account and not this account, so apparently the music is copyrighted. So basically for these videos, for the sound test, I'm gonna be playing my own music. This is a clip from one of my most recent short films. Click the top corner if you want to watch it. Basically, we'll just play the music from this. yeah, so that is the sound test. I know it's not perfect. I honestly have no idea what I should do to make it sound more perfect, like for you to really understand how it feels. But I guess you guys just have to trust me. It sounds really good. Like honestly, this is probably one of the best speakers I've tested. One of the best, not the best, but one of the best. And also it's very futuristic. Got the custom controller right there, you know, very sleek design, designed very beautifully and futuristic. Honestly, for its price, which is not a lot, I definitely recommend it. It's super nice. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and setup video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.